Hey everybody, we just made it down to Concept. Oh, phone call. So we're gonna head up to the shop, see what's going on there. Pretty sure Troy and Mitch are gonna be dressing a bunch of lumber through our 37-inch, 10,000 pound spiral head, 60 horsepower jointer planer. So pretty awesome machine. It actually surfaces the bottom as well as the top side at the same time. And it's a true jointer. It has a bed that drops down, so we're able to remove 1 millimeter up to like 7 millimeters if you want off the bottom face first. The wood comes out beautiful. The grain is really nice. I think they were doing some elm, and I don't know what else they were doing. After that, we need to scale the lumber. So we measure the width. We typically get an average width because we're doing live edge lumber. We multiply a bunch of numbers together, and it's going to give us the board footage. Next up, we got to get it onto some skids because we're going to be putting it onto a trailer. So we throw the lumber onto some skids. We band it up nice and tightly, and then we get the telehandler. It's been a fantastic machine. It's rated for 10,000 pounds. It's 4-wheel steering. They're solid tires. You don't have to worry about getting a flat. So we're going to boom out. We pick the skid up, and we're going to get it loaded on the trailer. My beautiful 2015 Chevy Sierra. We got the trailer hooked on there, just a standard flat deck trailer. Loading it on, you can see how the boom works really, really nicely. We're able to put it on in a controlled, safe manner. Throw a bit of cookies into the back of the truck also. Throw the straps over and get it ratcheted down tight. And finally, we're going to head down. We're going to see Rob at Concept 13. He's one of our dealers who sells lumber, finish, table legs, all sorts of woodworking supplies for your needs. He's also a fantastic woodworker. Took my rocking chair course about 7 years ago. So let's hop in the truck, head down the 401, and go see Rob in Mississauga. All right, everyone, we are here. We're in the shop. We will be passing the camera off to Rob, and he's going to take you through. He's going through renovations right now. He's expanding, and the place is looking great, although it's a lot of work, eh?
It's a lot of work.
A lot of work. Surprise! Over here, we have Carlos. Many of you probably already know him. He's from Exotherm Designs. That's his company that sells reusable HDPE forms. So check these beauties out. Kind of got two versions, a super heavy duty version, built-in clamps, 3/4 HDPE, you know, gonna last forever. So will this guy. This was my idea, ha ha ha, wink wink. This is a no-seal solid HDPE form, which is fully plastic welded, so there's no silicone ever required. Literally pour your wood in here, place the epoxy in. You can do that the other way around, I suppose. And then you let it cure and you literally flip it over. And your pour comes right out. So you got to check them out. We'll throw the website up here somewhere. We'll throw a little Instagram handle. And right now I'm going to pass the mic off to Rob, and he's going to give you a little tour of Concept 13 down here in Mississauga.
Hey guys, come on in. Check out the nearly almost finished Concept 13.
What's this area, Rob?
So guys, this is going to be our new showroom. This is going to be strictly showroom. This is going to be finished product for myself, and probably some other makers will bring their products into here, and it'll be finished product, so you'll be able to see and purchase products that have been finished, complete, and ready for you to bring to your home. All right, so this is going to be our new retail area. We're going to have all our finishes, glues, epoxies, steel table legs, hardware, Rampa hardware. We're going to have everything in here for the makers ready to go. All right, so over here we're going to have all our raw lumber. We're going to have sets, easy to do epoxy sets. We're going to have cookies. We're going to have large slabs. If you walk through here, we're going to have all our domestic lumbers. I think I'm going to have a little clearance section here because I have accumulated a lot of wood across the year, through the years. So we're going to have a little clearance section here where you can get some wood at a decent price for your epoxy pours and such.
No problem, man. We got the unloading under control.
Yeah, take care of it, please. We're going to have mostly domestic lumber here. We're going to have our walnuts and our maples and our ash lumber. So anything salvaged from construction sites and stuff like that is milled by Paul and the guys at Legacy Lumber. It's brought to us here once it's been dried and flattened, and it's ready for you guys to build your own tables and other projects. We do have some exotics. This specifically is our map of burrow. We have quite a bit of this. This is from Serbia. It's quite thick. It's quite beautiful when it's finished. Lots of burrows along the sides. Great for epoxy river tables. So really nice selection for a high-end exotic lumber. I've been holding Paul off to bring the wood because I've been trying to get this place cleaned up, painted, floors grinded, ready to go. So we are going to keep this section here is strictly going to be shop and workshop. We're going to start introducing a lot of workshops for our DIYers. We're going to try to get some courses in here once this COVID thing is over. We do have some large equipment coming in the future to help us process the lumber. So in here we're gonna probably start with our epoxy workshops, and we have everything you need to learn how to build epoxy projects, coffee tables, charcuterie boards, and potentially in the future dining table courses. We'll likely bring in special guests to teach maybe their niche and get them in here, you know, as a special guest, and I think it'll just drive people to learn how to grow in this business. So guys, here at Concept 13, if you're interested in woodworking, this is going to be your one-stop shop. You're going to get your service, you're going to get your product, you're going to get your education. So guys, hope to see you soon.
Hey Rob, got something for you.
What is it?
Surprise.
Oh no!
Here we go. Oh.
Look at this.
There we go.
There we go. Look at this.
A little t-shirt.
Look at this.
We got you an extra medium.
Extra medium. This is sweet. Thanks, man.
No problem.
This is fucking fantastic. Check it. Boom.
Thank you.